In this video, we'll be discussing about the respiration in plants. Okay, we all know that even plants undergo the process of what? Respiration. That means they take carbon dioxide, okay, and they utilize them in the process what? Photosynthesis, in order to produce what? Food, right? To make their food, right? So carbon dioxide they utilize in the process of what? Photosynthesis to produce what? Food, and even they release out what? Oxygen, O2, right? No, we have to remember that, we have to understand that all parts of the plants can independently respire. That means they can independently undergo the process called respiration. Okay, now how do they do that? Independently they can respire. We all know that exchange of gases happens in our stomata. Okay, so the leaves of the plants have what? Stomata. So leaves contains what? Stomata, which is nothing but small pores, we can say, right? So exchange of gases happens here in the leaves. Now, one more thing is that we have seen woody stems. Stems of the plants also respire. Okay, stems of plants also respire. Now, how do they do that? This is because they have what? Special tissue called as lenticels. They have a special tissue called as lenticels, which is there on the stem. Now, so they also, what happens? They also allows the exchange of gases. So this happens. Stomata in leaves. Lenticels is special tissues which is present on the stems of food plants. Okay, so they exist at what? Dead cells. Okay, they exist in the form of what? Dead cells on woody plants, or we can say woody stem. Okay, now one more thing is that even the roots have what? Hair-like structure. We know roots have what? Hair-like structure, right? Now hence they can also absorb what? Air which is present in the soil. Okay, remember that even roots have the ability to absorb the air because they have hair-like structure, so they can absorb the air from the soil. Okay, so as I have already said that they can independently respire. That means they can independently undergo the process called respiration. They can absorb the air. So these are the different parts, like leaves, stem, even the roots have the ability to absorb what? Air. Okay, in different ways, because they contain, like in leaves it contains stomata, in stem lenticels, in roots they have air-like structure. Because of that they can absorb what? Air from the soil. So basic idea here is that they independently respire. No, we know that in respiration in plants, why do they respire? Basically, they have to make food. Okay, so they take oxygen, carbon dioxide, and releases what? During the process photosynthesis. After that, their products will be oxygen. Okay, even water they releases. So this is the basic idea of the respiration in plants.